Hello everyone, welcome once again to Guyanese Abroad. First of all, I want to thank everyone for subscribing and everyone who's watching and commenting. Today, I'm very happy. I just want to thank I want to tell you guys that I went to the park on the weekend and I met so many of my subscribers. I'm so happy. I want to thank all of you who's watching and who's subscribing. And it was such a nice time I had with everybody. Maybe Beach can make a video with that one.
They recognize you.
Yeah, you all recognize me. I'm so happy about that. So continue watching and continue commenting, subscribing. If you or any of you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you like what you're watching.
What was happening at the park?
Albion picnic.
Okay.
And the cricket ground, the Guyanese club, cricket club had a get together there in memory of Faz and his brother. So we were there too. So Bish made a video already. You guys can watch that. I had a good time there. It was nice. I met so many of you there, all my subscribers. Anyway, today rain is falling, thunder rolling. I think we're getting the tail end of the
Mr. Barrel. The hurricane
barrel or barrel.
It's barrel because whole night barrel a roll, yeah.
And barrel a roll outside.
Thunder lightning.
Yes. So then say when that happened in Guyana, my mama just cook squash. So guys, today I'm cooking fried squash with little bit shrimp and tomato and paratha roti. It's a good day for that. So I'll see you guys in my kitchen. Okay guys, this is the squash, Bish boy. Nice young squash.
Baby squash. Low-key.
They're very young. This is the one I like to cook. I don't have to clean the inside with seed or anything. So time to wash them. Peel them. Chop them up. You have to wash before you chop up. And peel. See, I'm using my potato peeler, so I don't have to do it with the knife. When you do it with the knife, it cut too deep, take away most of the squash. See, and it's easier to peel this way. You don't lose anything from it. See, nice and smooth. Even go in the corners. See. Now I can do this part. Okay, just take a minute. Time to cut it up. Cut out the head and the tail. See how young? Have young seeds, so I don't have to take them out. This is why I like the young squash. You cook them just like this. So all you do, so you like to eat squash, it's easy to prepare. Watch how I do it. Do it the same way. Buy the young ones Bisham loves squash.
Love squash.
See, we don't do this. And the young squash cook faster. It loses its own water and it will cook faster. Don't have to add water much. Guys, I'm ready to cook. These are my ingredients. This is my squash or lauki. My land is tak in Hindi. Piyaz or onion chopped up. Mirchi or what? Mirch. Pepper.
You get that?
I don't know about garlic, how we say it in Hindi. Maybe somebody gonna comment and tell me. And this is some shrimp. And this is some tomato paste. And tomato or tomato.
Tomato.
And this is the salt or namak. I don't know what you call oil. Knife, chaku.
Oh, you know. It's okay.
Because this one a Hindi movie.
Okay.
Time to start cooking. Turn on the stove. I have my favorite pan. Put a little bit oil. Let's wait till this. So guys, the pan hot. Time to put the oil. Wait a bit oil.
But this is an easy dish, right?
Just gonna saute the shrimp, let it cook a little. The shrimp from Guyana, so it's frozen. I'll take it out back. I will put back the shrimp when it's about to done, because the shrimp is not too fine.
You don't want it overcooked.
I want it to turn hard. So now, time for my onion, piyaz, little bit namak. Saute the onion with the salt first. That's what I do. Squash time. I don't want to burn anything. Put the squash, turn it up, and the salt and the onion. Now leave it to boil. So guys, once this start to boil, I'm gonna put my garlic because I don't want it to burn. And turn it up, let it cook with it. Nice young squash, you lose your own water. Let it boil. So guys, while the squash is cooking, I'm gonna mix the flour for my paratha roti. So I add my baking powder. I have recipe already, you guys can look at it, but this is how I do it. I do that because I don't want lump of baking powder on
How much
it.
flour is it?
So this is 3 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. I usually put some oil, about 3 tablespoons. Half a tablespoon margarine. Mix it all up. So you make it nice soft paratha roti. Crisp. I think we should just check the squash. Just check the squash. Yeah, a little turning there.
It's boiling.
That's good. Yeah, let the water go inside.
See, I'm helping.
That's good. Yeah, turn on the plate, cook with your own water. You try this now, see if it cook good. And you add the rest of the stuff. The easiest thing to cook.
I like it a bit lumpy. Some people like it mushed up.
Check the squash.
Look good.
It's looking good. See, you cook with your own water. I'm gonna check it, see if it boils. You check out. Yeah. See, you want it like this? You like a lumpy. Good.
So when you're gonna add that? When this?
I'm gonna add the pepper now.
At what point of the squash?
When it's fully cooked. how you like it. If it's fully cooked like this, I like it like this. Then I add the rest of my ingredients. I add my pepper and tomato. I don't want to put too much pepper. I'm going to put some to boil. So I don't want my tomato to melt out. It has to cook. So that little bit water will cook it. If I want some more color to it, I can add some tomato paste. Definitely cook.
So you left that to cook now until,
Yeah.
okay.
I turn up a stove a little because a tomato cold. Put her in like cook. Time to turn. See if my tomato cook.
Looking good.
So to turn it up. See the heat where you cook the tomato?
Okay. Color changing too.
No. Yes, it's looking nice. Beautiful. See tomato make it look beautiful.
When the tomato is like in chunks, give it that little bit of sour taste.
Yeah.
And everything. I don't know, I just like it better.
So I think I'm going to add my shrimp, a little bit of tomato paste,
You want more color?
a little bit.
Tomato paste is only for color, right?
Yeah, but it gives it a nice little different taste too. It will make taste better too. That much, just like a teaspoon. Let it melt. We'll turn them up just now.
Let me add the shrimp.
Hey? You can add it if you want.
Let me add the shrimps. The shrimps.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimps. Some people say shrimps.
Shrimps.
Let me put one of this to cook for you. In a bitter.
Tastes good.
I put one Wiri. In case you need more pepper, I'm going to
Break it up.
break the one. You sure you want me to put this in?
Yeah, but it is. Okay.
The shrimp will give it a nice flavor.
You don't have to put too much, right? Just for the flavor.
I'm gonna let it simmer for another few minutes. It's done here.
Nice.
They cook with the
I don't think the camera will show the color so.
The camera don't do justice with the colors. You need a better camera. Because the way I'm seeing it, I don't see it this way on the video. Let it cook a little bit. Time to check.
So chunky.
Looking nice, sizzling. See, it's done.
You make it dry too much.
No, that's it.
Taste it.
So that's the.
See if you want more salt.
You gonna taste it?
You taste it. You just eat meat high. Sweet. I'm telling you, I don't think I can be able to taste that.
Okay, so
Don't turn it off.
Stop that! Why you put the thing in my nose for?
You can't take out your nose here. You want salt?
You mash a pepper with the spoon. It is bitter.
Take another spoon and taste it.
You do that deliberately. You know me take a spoon and pull a pepper in that one. Now how we gonna taste?
I wanted you to tell me how you would have taken out the pepper. That's okay. Taste it how it's good. I taste it already. I know it's good.
You laugh, no? Tastes good. Need a little bit more salt.
A little bit more.
I'm gonna add a little bit salt.
How is the pepper? It's good now?
You can mash the one.
No. It's okay. I had my fun already.
When I do that today, right? I do that because you the hate.
It's good. Not go hate so much, man.
Let me mash the pepper now.
No.
You need pepper.
Angelina gonna be able to eat it that far.
No, me go eat them with me pepper.
Yeah. Leave the pepper in there and
If it's too sweet, you go eat them with you long pepper.
if I want to.
Nice.
Okay.
See?
Take it off.
Beautiful. Off the stove. So this, guys, this is the easiest thing to cook.
Half an hour top.
Yes, and it's delicious. You can cook it and eat it with sekel roti, any kind roti. Does Anjali like paratha roti? I'm cooking some paratha roti today. Now it's time to put make my loy. So I bought this from dollar store at Bokar too. I always put it under my chowki.
It's a non-stick. That's why.
I put it here and it don't move. See? This is, I like to use the wood. The countertop is not so good to do it. It absorbs stuff. So I like to use this one. Time to make the loy. What roti you go eat, Bish?
Cook all.
I know how much you go eat.
Me no know.
I got to cook all.
One. Oh, you can
I make them big. That's okay. Make. Let's see. 3, 4, 5. Make 6.
Yeah.
Put the rest here. There. 2 each.
I'm not gonna eat two.
You will. Plenty.
No. Easy, yes. Little bit, little bit.
Guys, time to cook the roti. I let it soak like this for half an hour. So now I'm going to cook it, roll it out, Bailey roti. See how nice and soft? This is what you do first. You can put some flour. See, Burpee's girl can Bailey roti wrong. There. This is how, when you make the loy, you can leave it in the fridge in a sealed dish, any plastic dish, and you can even use it next day or the 2 days after. Roll it out and cook it. If you have guests coming over, you make this ahead of time and you do that. You just leave it like this, and then when your guests arrive, or just before, you just cook it out. Roll it and cook it out. Like this bell now. Get used to this bell now. You roll. You don't got to use too much strength. If you guys used to the other bell now, try this one too.
What's
it's
wrong with
easier.
this bell? What's...
Look how you roll. You roll.
Oh, you
Easy to roll. But the other one don't roll, so you have to actually roll on with all your strength.
And with this bell now, when you knock your husband on your head, in a left mark. So you can't prove no, he say, you know, the wife hit you on the head. I'm talking from experience. See you tap your toe on your dome?
Learn to clap the roti, you just let it cool a little bit, and you do that. It's nice.
Don't worry, this girl know if you clap roti, good. This girl like you clap twice.
You will get lash. You look like you want lash.
It's like his girl. I get clapped twice. Good.
Ooh, nice. I cook a little bit more. You done there? You want me to leave this on the tower for you?
You're crispy.
You got turn crisp. You know you like crisp. I'm going to cut off a stove. Left that like cook by itself.
Yeah.
And guys,
You're gonna be crisp and nice.
I gotta show you this. So guys, this is my wedding gift from my husband. But I can't use it, it's too pretty. So I have it in a glass case.
It's just a showpiece. This bell, nah, all the guys who work at Central Workshop have one. Make one for themselves. Most of the guys will, this part here is stainless steel. Here, but I just make all of it with glass. One of a kind.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So, compliment of Central Workshop. All the guys who work at Central Workshop know that. Comment.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Look at it. Let me beat you it up now.
No, put that back. That gonna make brand. People is gonna find out. That's stainless steel.
We got to go put them back in the cupboard. This is a nice ornament centerpiece. See where I put it?
Actually, the good one mommy gave away.
What do you mean the good one? You can make another one for me.
Mommy gave more in there.
But that one had our picture in it.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
So, roti done. You not clean up yet?
We got to heat up the dal. We cooked dal this morning, guys, with sekal roti.
Squash done.
So we gotta heat up the dal in the pot now.
Dal have to heat up.
Dish and like the
Go to
dal
the show.
and the roti.
And then we get a perfect weather for the squash and roti. Look. Rain.
Have the dal and bring it here.
Rain and squash.
Get my dal.
Okay. Bye.
You get your crisp roti there.
But I'm still not satisfied.
Why?
I want aloo in one of them. Hint, hint.
Me get fry aloo in the fridge. So
Okay, bye.
guys, this is my rainy day meal. I finished cooking. This is my paratha roti, my squash, and my dal. So I'm gonna try it and see how it turned out. Taste it. The rain still a fall, you know.
You got fall for 2 days.
See my pepper. Nothing to beat squash and roti and a rainy day. I'm gonna try the dal. You know, my nanny then just cook dal and roti every Sunday. It's good. But I like a squash more. You go eat out the dal.
Yes, that's okay. I broke my roti. I have a whole patty.
We should go full broccoli roti and eat them with the dal. And then you go eat some of this too. So guys, keep watching. I want to thank you for watching, and share and subscribe, and keep cooking and be happy. Bishamma laugh me. So bye, thanks for watching and subscribing. Continue watching and cook. Be happy. Love you guys.
You're hungry, me that you know don't talk.
Bye bye.
Go eat.
Let me continue.